Oopsies. Please. Sorry. Redo. Dang it. I'm not Lizard Maniac in. So today we are going to be talking about something I don't know what it is. Okay. So, Jayden, what do you want to talk about? So, I heard bad news. Jayden broke his legs, so he has to stay in the other room. So, Jayden, do you want to say anything? Ow. Let me talk about this. Ow. What happened to you?
I got hit by a car and I broke my legs.
How did you get hit by a car?
I was running across the road and chasing a basketball, and then a car came and honked at me, and then it hit me in the legs, and then it couldn't get out of the way, and it was too late, and I broke my legs. So then I had to go to the hospital, and I almost died.
Oh no! What did you do?
What?
What? Were you playing basketball?
Yes.
Did your legs break?
I just told you that my legs broke.
Are you in a wheelchair?
Yes.
Oh, can I go see it? It looks really cool.
No.
Do 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 do. I'm walking in my chair. Do 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 do. Dang it! Do 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 da. Do 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 do. I saw your wheelchair. Wait, no, that didn't happen. I saw your wheelchair, Jayden. It looked really cool.
I said you can see it because it's all red and bloody. It's a red wheelchair. You can't see a red wheelchair.
Oh my gosh, you bloody ew! Ew,
No.
let me run away. Help. Ah!
It's not bloody.
Dang it. I'm doing trickery here. It's called magic.
You know, I was watching the cops show last night, and somebody driving his motorcycle got hit by a car, and it hit his thing in his head and his legs, and you could see the tissue and the muscle in his leg. And it was really yucky.
That's not good. That's really yucky. Okay, so we heard about how Jayden broke both of his legs. He's in a wheelchair and he's covered in blood.
Someone's downstairs.
So bye.